Hello everybody, today we're going to be solving a trigonometry problem. We have a cosine t is equal to negative 1/3 and t is in the third quadrant. They want us to find sine t, secant t, cosecant t, tan t, cotan t. So all the other trig functions. Let's see, what do we have? We have cosine t. What is the easiest one we can choose first? Well, since we know that secant t is a reciprocal of cosine t, so that's, you just take the reciprocal, so it's -3/1 or -3. So this is secant t. That's the easiest one to find. Then we can find sine t. Now, if you recall, sine square t plus cosine square t is equal to 1. That means sine square t is equal to 1 minus cosine square t. And then you can take the square root plus or minus, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. So we have sine square t is equal to 1 minus cosine square t. Cosine t is -1/3, and you square that. So that will give us 1 minus -1/3 square is 1/9. LCD is 9. You multiply here by 9 and here by 9. You'll be left with 9 minus 1, which is 8/9. So sine square is 8/9. That means sine t is plus or minus square root of 8/9. But we already know that sine in quadrant 3 is negative. So that's going to give me negative here. Now, if you recall, A, S, T, C, all are positive. The sine and cosecant is positive. Tangent and cotangent is positive. So only the tangent and cotangent is positive in the third quadrant. Everything else will be negative. Now, let's go ahead and simplify this. First, the denominator comes out. Square root of 9 is 3. Then you have 8, that's 4 times 2. So the 2 comes out. So sine t is equal to -2 square root of 2/3. So that's sine t. Okay, so let's see, we have secant sine t. Now, easy one to find would be cosecant t. Cosecant t is a reciprocal of sine t. Okay, so cosecant t is equal to -3/2√2. Rationalizing the denominator, we multiply by square root of 2 here, square root of 2. That will give us -3 square root of 2/2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, that's 2. And so cosecant t becomes equal to -3 square root of 2/2 times 2, which is 4. So this is cosecant t, and this is sine t, and secant t. Next, we need to find tangent and cotangent. So we can find the tangent t in a couple of ways. One way would be to divide the sine t by cosine t. So sine t, we just found here, this -2 square root of 2/3 divided by cosine t. That's what they gave us in the problem, -1/3. So -1/3. So if you notice, we're going to be dividing a number by number. They're both negative, so it's going to be positive. 2√2/3 times 3/1. You can, if you want, get rid of the negative now, but if you want to keep it, you can as well. So let's see, negative times negative is going to give me positive. The 3 cancels with this 3, so you're left with 2√2. So tangent t is equal to 2√2. That is positive. The tangent is positive in quadrant 3, and so is the cotangent. So cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, if you recall. So you just take the reciprocal, 2 square root of 2. You can multiply by square root of 2 to rationalize the denominator. Now, if you want to remember how to do that, I made a video of that, so please check that out. So here you have 2 square root of 2 times square root of 2, that's 2. So now cotangent t is square root of 2 over 2 times 2, which is 4. So these are the 5 other trig functions here for our problem. I hope this problem helped you out. See you next video. Bye-bye.